Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can show your badges on your profile in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to obtain the badges. You can go to the achievement to check which of the badges you've obtained, and I just obtained this animal keeper badge, this one, so I can only show this badge on my profile. Okay, on your profile you can show 3 badges, and I'm going to show you guys how you can show your badges. You can open up the watch menu, tap on your profile, and you're going to click on badge showcase. I've already added this animal keeper badge, and if you want to add more badge you can click on the plus icon. Okay, just like this. I only have 1 badge. Okay, alright guys, and that's how we can show badges on our profile in our Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.